Hi, Troy Robbins with Tsunami Compressed Air Solutions. Today I'm going to quickly walk you through the installation and startup of the Tsunami Dust Collector Regenerative Drying System. We've connected the shop air to the inlet, 1-inch inlet of the 3-way ball valve, and we've connected the outlet regulator to our supply line going out to the dust collector. So the first thing we want to do is we want to make sure that the gate valve is closed off leading into the drying system. Then we're going to have, now that we've got it to here, we're going to turn on the system pressure from the facility. So now we've taken this air, we're pre-filtering it, and we're running to here. The outlet ball valve going into the tank is closed off, so we're able to slowly open this gate valve. I've plugged the drying system into a power supply. Now that the gate valve's open, we want to use the flow meter to gauge the flow going through the dryer into the tank, making sure that we're not flowing too much air. So initially we're going to want to just crack this ball valve and allow the tank pressure to build up to about 60 pounds before we open it all the way. At the same time, I'm monitoring the flow, and I want to make sure that the flow going through the dryer doesn't exceed 40 CFM. So now that I've got 60 pounds of pressure in the tank, I'm going to open this ball valve a little bit more while watching the flow meter up top, making sure that I'm not exceeding our rated flow of 45 CFM max with 120 PSI inlet pressure for this dust collector dryer. And now we're going to watch and wait until this tank pressure, that's the dryer cycling, we're going to watch our flow and the tank gauge until it gets up to full system pressure. Now you'll notice the flow going through the dryer is reducing as the tank pressure starts getting closer to the system pressure of the supply side. And eventually this will read right around 10 CFM max for the regeneration air being utilized by the regenerative drying system. So now that the flow going into the dryer is right around 10 CFM, our tank system pressure is right around 120 PSI. So now we're going to be ready to fire up our dust collector and dial in the flow going into the drying system. Make sure to catch our next video on how to do that. Thank you very much.